back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to create voice flashcards with AudioNote app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to create voice flashcards with AudioNote app, all you gotta do is simply go to AudioNote app. Once you're in your AudioNote, you need to simply get logged in into your account. Once you have logged in into your account, you can be assured that AudioNote app automatically generates flashcard by using AI to transcribe and process either live recordings or uploaded audio files. You don't create them manually within the traditional AudioNote app interface. The AI feature does that work for you, so you can be assured that you can get an automatic voice flashcard with AudioNote app as it is automatically transcribed. The flashcard will be available for you to review, customize, and study within the app's learning mode. The classic AudioNote app primarily syncs typewritten notes with auto recording for later playback. The specific feature to automatically generate flashcards from voice is the part of the newer AI-powered AudioNotes platform version, which may require a subscription plan for full functionality. So this is how you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.